Hi, I'm Suresh, a BFSI trainer. I am a hearing speech impaired person. Writing proposals for new technical projects or programs can be challenging. But AI can make it easier. Let's see how AI helps with a teaching proposal. Develop a digital literacy program for middle school students. In seconds, the AI creates a detailed proposal draft with all the essential sections. You simply review and add specific details like the curriculum topics, like introduction to internet safety, basic coding skills, and digital communication. And just like that, you have a complete, polished proposal ready to submit. AI takes the hard work out of proposal writing. Try it and see how much easier it can be.
BreakFreeSolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.